Welcome to week 1 of the Moving MOOC. This video will give you a short introduction to what we mean by Science 2.0 and open research methods. There are 1,000 good reasons to make research more open. In this video, we start with 5. In a nutshell, Science 2.0 means using Web 2.0 social technologies to increase transparency and encourage collaboration throughout the research process. Science 2.0 is closely related to the concept of open science. According to Foster, open science is the practice of science in such a way that others can collaborate and contribute, where research data, lab notes, and other research processes are freely available under terms that enable reuse, redistribution, and reproduction of the research and its underlying data and methods. Open science has grown out of movements like open access, open data, and open educational resources, who proclaim the free access to knowledge as a precondition for human development. Open science is better science. Social technologies like blogs, wikis, and social bookmarking services, together with movements like Creative Commons, offer entirely new ways to publish, share, discuss and reproduce scientific findings and data. Open collaborative research methods provide the opportunity to scholarly innovations and make scientific findings accessible to a broader public, a development that has wide implications for the excellence of research, its creativity, productivity, reliability, and validity. When science is open, everyone benefits. In the traditional system of scientific publishing, more and more scientific knowledge is stored behind paywalls. Neither the individual scientist nor society, which often pays with taxes for publicly funded research, benefits from the system. It's that simple. If other researchers don't have access to your research, they can't build on it. If people do not have access to your research, this knowledge cannot be used for social benefit. Finally, the fewer people who have access to your work, the less it will benefit you. Turning the system upside down and sharing research freely and openly with everyone will benefit us all. Open science gives you credit for all your research products. Many young scholars think that open science starts with open access publishing. But in fact, openness in science encompasses the whole research workflow. From drafting ideas to finding partners and funding, from collaborating with peers to communicating your research, from collecting and analyzing data to making lab notes, from developing methods to sharing data and code, and from writing to publishing and peer review. All of these steps in your research can be made open. Open science helps you advance your career. Do good research and talk about it. Web 2.0 technologies help you make your research more visible not only to the academic community, but also to the general public. Sharing your research and participating in public discussions as an expert in your field strengthens your profile as a researcher and helps you to gain more recognition for your work. This, in turn, increases your chances of gaining access to funding, finding partners, or obtaining job opportunities. Open research is a craft that you can learn. Open collaborative science is not a utopian vision of the future. It is becoming reality today. Many scientists use Twitter or blogs to consume and produce content. There are a variety of online tools and platforms available to scientists, ranging from social networks modified or created for the scientific world, to Web 2.0 tools that help you produce content in all kinds of formats. There are thousands of scientific software programs that are freely available online, and millions of journal articles that are available on the web. What we need now is a new scientific culture that values openness and collaboration and breathes life into this open science infrastructure to make research better. In this MOOC, you can learn a new set of competences and attitudes that help you thrive in this environment.